Yo, what's poppin', YouTubers? This is your guy Alex Ortiz with 360 Motorsports. Just want to show you guys one of the cars I help work on at my job. This is an Infiniti, but it's got a GTR kit on it. It's pretty dope. It's not done yet. Still in the work, still has to get the inside done, and still needs wheels. But just wanted to show you guys just one of the cars we get popping in my job. It's kind of dark back here. Guess I'll show you guys that later, but yeah, pretty dope. I'm not sure of the year, but yeah, it's a nice car. It's got to get some little minor things done to it, but other than that, all in all, it looks good. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of some of the cars I work on. Well, we work on. I didn't do anything to this but wash it actually, but yeah, it's pretty dope. Alrighty, people. Check you later. Thanks for watching, and always keep it popping.